All right, last vlog for today, I promise. I want to draw your attention to one last thing. There's this American Revolution review video that hopefully is not blocked. It's from the History Channel. I can't actually play it because that would get into copyright stuff. But it's posted here. It's available to you. It's called Washington Leads the Revolution, America, The Story of Us, Season 1, Episode 2, full episode history. It's from the History Channel. It does take 45 minutes, full disclosure. You do not need to watch the whole thing. Here's some options you can use. Change the settings and watch it at double time playback speed if you want. Or you could slow it down, go to the slower speed. You could watch it on your own time. You could skip around on it. I just want it to be there as a resource for you in case you are feeling like you're not really understanding the war. The History Channel is really direct. The reenactments are often very good, blood and guts and gore, and so that can be a lot of fun for it as well. I want to draw your attention to that and to just those couple of resources on some of the cheats you can use on YouTube. And then I will be working on getting some of my teacher notes into this yellow folder of note sheets and teacher notes. So if you are falling behind, please, be checking that for those resources there. And definitely let me know what resources you might specifically be looking for. If that's something that's going to be applicable to you, send me a G-chat, send me an email. I am trying to do my best by you guys. Just because I'm not in the classroom doesn't mean that I'm not trying to do my best for you to do your best for this unit and, of course, throughout this course. That's what I have for you for today. Once again, please take care of yourself and one another. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Wear a mask. From my household to yours, we love you and happy Monday.